So a small experience, let me share with you people. Yes, usually, so we are staying at, yes, I'm staying currently at Erragadda to Maitrivanam. Most of the times I will travel by auto or cab, like, okay, early morning. So if there is any work, then only driver Anna will come at 9 o'clock, like. Then today I just booked the auto by Rapido. Just, yes, traveling in the auto. Suddenly, two members stopped the auto. Seems to be a bit rough people. Okay, auto wala stopped. Take the vehicle side like they asked. Then automatically it. Ray, when you are going to pay the money, like they are asking a bit roughly by creating some fear kind of thing to the auto wala, creating a fear kind of thing to the auto wala. They are asking a bit roughly. Then he told that, Anna, I paid. When you paid, can you please show the screenshot like that? Observe that. They requested me, Anna, please, 2 minutes, please wait like. Then he showed for Pay or Google Pay or maybe any, I don't know. He's showing some screenshot. Anna, already I paid in the 20th only, last month 20th only. Now pending from my side, like he told. Then after showing the screenshot, he asked, Anna, can I go like? No, please wait. You should wait like that. Not please wait. Then this person made a phone call to their office. So and so vehicle number already paid on 20th. Can you please confirm? Otherwise, I will. So stop here only like that. Then they confirmed. He's telling some reference number. Then they confirmed that yes, paid. Okay, you will go. Observe the scenario. While going on the road, in the middle, the people stopped the auto. They asked for the payment. Okay, of course. Later I asked her, now what is this payment like? I took this auto in finance. So this finance, తెలుగులో యూజ్ చేసాడు ఒక వర్డ్. వీళ్ళందరూ ఫైనాన్స్ కొడుకులన్నా తెలంగాణ కామన్ వర్డ్. అంటే ద వర్డ్ వాట్ ఫైనాన్స్ పీపుల్, ద వర్డ్ దీస్ పీపుల్ హియర్ ద పీపుల్ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ నా వీళ్ళు ఫైనాన్స్ కొడుకులన్నా లైక్ ఓకే హౌ మచ్ యూ రిక్వైర్ టు పే 12,600 or something like he's telling per month. Then suppose by mistake, if you didn't pay, okay, maybe your personal reasons, if you didn't pay, then what about situation? Then nothing, irrespective of my situation, they will hand over the auto. I have to get down from the auto and I have to go with empty hands. No alternative at all. I know this scenario, that's why I'm paying regularly. Like this is the statement used by Autowala. Just now. Are you in the position to understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Is can you please tell this person having the freedom?
No, you don't have freedom.
No, sir.
This person having the freedom?
No.
No, not having the freedom. Just I will explain one scenario. One of my office employees is there. Whenever I ask her, where are you like? Sir, I came to the bank on some work. Day one completed. Second time also, you are not there in office. Where are you like? I'm not using the name because our people are going to just they are listening these videos. That's why exact names not good. Then I asked second time. Yeah, I'm there at the bank. 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. He told the same. Then, everyday bank work. He's the ask the bank people to provide salary. Okay, because you are doing half of the work in the bank only. One work means go and then complete and then come there every day. Like then after that, he's not there. Where are you? Sir, just like get down. Get down. Okay, just for choice sake. Perfect. Next, I asked, where are you? Because there is some work. Where are you? Like, sir, just I went to the petrol, okay, for my bike. Like, he's not spending in office the time. After 6 o'clock, this person is coming. Sir, what work is there? You told in the morning, you told in the afternoon, you told in the evening. What work is there? Now, after 6 o'clock, this person is appearing in office. Jay, what is this puzzle like I didn't get? Even that person feeling very inconvenient to stay in the office. The reason is, later I came to know that he used a credit card. He didn't pay that amount. Then the bank wala may come and may create issue in office, may create some nonsense in office. That's why in official timings 9 to 6 is not staying in office. Can you please confirm? Is this person having the freedom?
No, sir.
No,
Yes or no?
no,
No freedom. No freedom. So he want to work. He should require to work, but to tell lie or to manage, how much struggle this person is required to feel. Okay, whenever I'm asking, sir, I'm going outside, I'm going bank, I'm going for the petrol, like how many times he's going to manage? He's feeling inconvenient, feeling pressure, feeling worry, like correct, right? So next, do you know, if you require to pay some money to any person, for that person, anything happen in their house or in their anything happen, the first point of contact you yourself on. So my common words I'm telling what I received. I require to pay tax 3 lakhs. Can you pay today? If not possible, worst case tomorrow. If I'm not having 3 lakhs, what about my situation? Assume that. What about my situation? Suppose here I require to pay to you. Is it compulsory I require to hold the money? Remember. Suppose another person. So tomorrow, off-salary function is there in my house. I'm there currently in the bank. If you are going to pay the money, then I will release the gold ornaments, which is required tomorrow for off-salary function. What this person has to do that? He has to give the money, but what is the answer he has to tell? If he's having, well and good. If he's not having, what about his situation? Next, another person will make a phone call. Array in my house, my grandmother expired. On the 9th day or 11th day, there is some ceremony is there. You require to pay some 7 lakhs, right? In that, 7 lakhs is not required. Can you please arrange 4 lakhs? And the remaining 3 lakhs I will take later. So, his grandmother expiry, how much pain is going to get? We don't know. The person who required to pay the money to that person is going to get more just in 2 days, 3 days. Because ceremony. Because it's a ceremony, he should not stop. Because of ceremony function, it is not going to be stopped. It is not going to be stopped. Compulsory. How many times you have this type of issues in your day to day? everyone faced at some stage of your life this type of issues. Yes, friends?
Yes, yes.
Yes or no? Everyone faces this type of issues at certain stage of your lives, because all these people are not coming from with a silver spoon or gold spoon from childhood onwards. I don't think everyone's are from middle class families only. Okay, with your struggles, with your hard work, you reach this position like that. So remember that if you want peace of mind, if you want freedom, if you want peace of mind, if you want a real growth, you should be zero debt person. Remember this one.